Hello everyone, I am Tanu and today I am going to demonstrate my project, FraudGuard Labs. It is an AI powered fraud detection system with blockchain based enforcement built on the QIE Testnet. And the core idea is simple. Here the AI decides the risk and the blockchain enforces the decision transparently and immutably. And what you are seeing here is a safe demo environment. Here, no real users' funds are affected and everything runs on the QIE testnet for security and auditability. What problem it solves? Today, fraud detection systems face three big challenges: speed, trust, and auditability. AI systems can detect fraud quickly, but their decisions are often centralized and opaque. And the blockchain systems are transparent, but they don't decide when to act. Now let me quickly walk you through the interface. Here on the left side, you can see the contract information, the number of transactions analyzed, and how many wallets are currently frozen. We also have a risk threshold slider. By default, it sets to 80, which determines when enforcement is triggered. There is also a demo high risk mode, which is useful for showing worst case fraud scenarios to judges. Now let's analyze the transactions. Now I'm going to enter the wallet address. I'll set the transaction amount here. Let me increase it. Okay. And now let's check mark on the transaction at suspicious time. And when I click on the analyze transactions, the AI evaluates multiple factors in real time: the transaction amount, frequency, timing, behavior, and historical patterns. And based on this, here the AI produces a risk score between 0 to 100. Here we can see the risk score is 41, which is low. Now, when I click on this demo high risk mode and when I analyze the transaction, here we can see the fraud risk is 95, which is above the threshold. And at this point, the AI decision is automatically passed to the blockchain layer. And once the risk score crosses the threshold, the FraudGuard Labs invokes a QIE Testnet smart contract. And then the QIE smart contract logs the fraud event immutably and frees the wallet. Here we can see the freeze wallet. And this is important. The blockchain doesn't decide fraud. It enforces the AI decisions in a transparent and verifiable way. Since this is running on the QIE testnet, so no real funds are affected, but the enforcement logic is real. Now I can verify the wallet status here. And in the real system, authorized admins or compliance officers can later review and unfreeze wallets. Now let me demonstrate that. Now let me click on the unfreeze wallet. Here we can see the wallet unfrozen and the wallet returned to active status, and this action is also recorded. Every analyzed transaction appears in the transaction history. Here we can see the risk score, the number of transactions, the reason, timestamp, and this creates a full audit trail, something traditional fraud systems simply do not provide. And let me summarize this project. So the FraudGuard Labs demonstrates AI and blockchain automation in action. And here the AI evaluates risk. Smart contracts enforces decisions. QIE blockchain ensures transparency, immutability, and trust. And this architecture is scalable, secure, and suitable for real-world financial system. So that's all. Thank you. Have a nice day.